You guys cannot tell me that the most annoying part about getting ready after you get out of the shower is if you're putting on like legging pants, how they like stick to even like the slightly dampest skin. Sound off in the comment section below your biggest get ready fails or peeves. Because I'm telling you, girl, towel dry that body to a T. Possible to get the leggings to come up. Literally for this video, which y'all are finding about in a second if you didn't read the thumbnail, am wearing my daughter's sports bra. Okay, sorry, Lena. What have I become? Tell my husband when he comes home that I was working out. He's gonna be like,
what are you wearing?
Because I have like leggings and a sports bra, and I'm gonna be like, I was working out. And he's gonna be like,
you were doing a makeup video.
Anyways, hey Glam fam, what's up? So today I am going to try, as per the year, recreate Ariana Grande's look in the new video, Monopoly. I kind of like the whole vibes of that video. Shout out in the comments, sound off in the comments. Let me know in the comments what you think about her new video, how she did it kind of like home movie type of recording. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, my name is Veronica. If you're not new, you know I love you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Glam fam. And also hit that post notification bell so you always know when I upload another video. We are gonna get right into it. So without any further ado, let's insert my intro right now. Let's do this.
I just want to show you off. I don't want to do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
You guys want talking or do you just want like me to show the products? Tell me what to do. Hey, I'm going to talk through this one.
No, don't do it. Please don't do it.
No, I'm not going to talk through this one. I can't stand the sound of my own voice. How can you guys deal with it? Okay, no. I'm going to talk when I need to and just put the little names of the products in the description bar as always so you guys know exactly what I'm using. But I think I'm just going to speed this up so you guys can get on with your day. Go have some Starbucks. Go do what you got to do and not be sitting listening to this mouth all day. All right? I love you guys. Let's get into it. I just want to tell you guys that I am going to be going in with something new. So before I get into the music, I am going to explain one product that I don't think I've used with you guys before, or if I have, I didn't talk about it. Yes, this is an Eensy Beensy sample, but this is the new Dior Dreamskin. This is awesome. It is a primer and moisturizer. Look it up. I'll put the picture and the claims right on the screen next to me. You guys need to get this. It has a peachy color, but it comes up clear on your skin. And you just need the littlest amount, and it blurs instantly. Like, I'm talking about, like, boom. You see that? Where'd that wrinkle go? Where you at? Okay? So, boom. This is it. It's really pricey. So, I'm telling you right now, I don't know if I'll ever be able to get it, so I am going to like use this in very minimal tutorials, and not because I don't love it, but because holy mackerel. Pretty pricey, but it is awesome, and it feels so good on the skin. And look, do you see that blurring effect? Like immediately. So this is beautiful. Look at already, no foundation, nothing. So yeah, this is great stuff. Dior Dreamskin. If you are a Beauty Rouge member and get a sample, you're seeing it with your own eyes. I just looked crazy and now my skin looks terrible. We'll be doing my brows off camera as per the usual. I can't help it. And as always, I don't go under the eyes with the foundation and not too much on the forehead because it's product on top of product. I put like the remaining foundation on my forehead. Okay, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera really fast, and you know the deal. I'll be right back. I'm going to do a lighter brow because Ariana Grande's brows are obviously lighter than mine. I have no brows, so doesn't matter. No, I'm done with my brows. I used Wunderbrow right here because this is the lightest brow product I have. And I went in with this clear brow gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so real fast, I am going to add a little bit of this Makeup Forever HD setting powder because I need my whole face to be matte because her face was very perfectly matte in the video. Just so you guys see, I have hit pan on this because this is like the one finishing powder that doesn't stick to my dry patches. I have very dry skin. So I recommend this if you have combo to dry skin. We don't need to do all the work of a cut crease. See how I'm doing it? Because we're gonna do a cheaty cut crease. That's why I told you to leave the bake underneath still, just in case there's any fallout, which when I do this method, there usually is 0. So we laid down that glitter glue, it's still tacky. We are going into this gold glitter right here. I saw that in the video she had a mix between gold and silver. So first we are gonna go in with this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. This is in the color 100. Just know this is in the color 100. It has 2 sides, but we're using this. We're gonna use this to shape out. If you have hooded eyes, go a little bit higher than your crease. We're gonna fill it in. This is drugstore, so like you can achieve this look with a drugstore product. Too Faced Lucky Bitch, this Glitter and Go Peel eyeliner. I'm just gonna make that cut crease a little bit more obvious. And that wing, this will really, see how that wings it out better? She had a little silver glitter. We are gonna go in with the Stila Diamond Dust. Never in the world has a beautiful product been created. And it has such a big paddle brush, you're just gonna fill in the entire cut crease now. Don't worry, we'll disperse the glitter with a brush. And bring it all the way out to that wing. These glitters don't fall around. They don't do anything. They don't get in your eyes. They are so awesome. But, you know, during the VIB Rouge sale, I got a 4-pack. What, $25, I think? That's not even bad. We're going to take a little tiny brush. Definitely a brush that you don't give Amazon cheapy brush. And we're going to not wipe it away. We're just going to slowly mix the 2 colors together by making little tiny strokes. See? Goal achieved. And now we don't even have to buff it because look at how it's erasing those harsh lines. We are going to wipe off our bake, just any fluffy brush, and get in that bake. Before we add our liquid wing and our mascara, we are going to spray our face because we are about to add a highlighter. My theory, if you're new to my channel, is that you spray and then you let it dry, because if you put the highlighter right after you spray, you're gonna have that stripe, and we don't want that. And especially if we're doing an Ariana Grande look, because in the video she just had nice luminous cheeks with a matte skin. She didn't have like beam and highlight in this video in particular. So what I like to do is, while we're waiting for the setting spray to dry, I do a thing called jam sesh. That's where we put on music in the background and we dance for like a second or 2, and then we apply highlighter after the setting spray has dried. So let's get into jam sesh, y'all. Put on Ariana Grande's new song, Monopoly, for the jam sesh. I'm gonna tight line until after I'm done with my lips because I want to make sure my liquid liner is completely dry because you already know how annoying that is. So we'll apply mascara and tight line after we do our lips. The Moon Lip Pencil by Kylie Cosmetics. She had a very taupey, mauvey, but like cool toned lips. So that's what I figured I would put together. On the Kat Von D first. So it was almost this color. Oh, remember when Lolita was the shit? We're gonna go over because it was toned down just a tad. So I'm gonna use Moon by Kylie Jenner. A little. And then I'm going to use a brush to disperse it out. Another brush that you don't give a shit about. I buy a bunch of these just to do shit like this. Comes in like a 12 pack on Amazon. Sometimes you have to mix colors to get the perfect color. I mean, I want it to be spot on. I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This will give you falsy light lashes. Take a look at that applicator. I'm going to go put on the rest of my outfit and I will be right back. This is the finished look. I know that her hair wasn't curly, but the only other ponytail that I have is black and I wanted to match her hair color. She has it kind of like... Let's talk about this. I made this necklace with an earring, so right now I'm getting stabbed, literally. Her shoulder's big and poofy. I know it's a cow print, so like, look. Let's just look at the makeup first. We gotta put some sideburns down because she has some sideburns going on. This, wait till you guys see what I have inside these shoulders to make them poofy. Socks, hospital socks. I mean, you could wear this to the movie theater and sneak candies. Anyways, guys, that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit subscribe because you know I love you guys and I love you. And you know that we have fun together. So, yeah, putting that back. But anyways, I will see you in my next video. As always, I love you. Peace.